Ever wondered why some people seem to get richer every year, while others, well, they keep running out of money before the month ends? It's not always about luck or even how much they earn. It's about habits. Today, I'm breaking down 10 money habits that are secretly keeping you poor and exactly how to break them in 2025. And trust me, I've got a real-life story that will make you look at your wallet differently forever. This is gold standard mindset. Think rich, live rich, be the standard. Let's get into it. Before we start, let me tell you about someone I knew. Let's call him Tund. Tund was making decent money, more than most of his friends. But every month, by the second week, he was broke. He thought he just needed to earn more. But here's the truth. He didn't have an income problem. He had a money habit problem. Fast forward 2 years. Tund learned how to kill these bad habits. And today, he's debt-free, owns a small apartment, and invests every month. If Tund could do it, so can you. Alright, let's break down the 10 habits keeping you poor and how to crush them this year. 1. Living without a budget. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will go everywhere. Break the habit. Write a simple budget, not a fancy one. Even a notes app will do. Every naira, every dollar. Give it a job. 2. Spending more than you earn. This is the fastest road to debt city. If you're swiping credit cards for lifestyle, you're digging a hole. Break it. Live below your means until your means grow. 3. Impulse buying. That random gadget on sale. That flash deal online. That's your money running away. Break it. Wait 48 hours before buying anything you didn't plan for. Most of the time, the need will disappear. 4. No emergency fund. Life happens. Cars break down, medical bills pop up. Without a safety net, you borrow and sink deeper. Break it. Start with $10 or $5,000 a week. Automate it. 5. Ignoring investments. If you're only saving in cash, you're losing money to inflation. Break it. Learn and start small. Index funds, mutual funds, or a side business. 6. Trying to impress people. New phone every year. Designer clothes on credit. You're building someone else's dream. Break it. Impress yourself with your bank balance, not strangers. 7. Not tracking expenses. You can't fix what you don't measure. Break it. Use free apps like Mint, Piggyvest, or even pen and paper. 8. Neglecting skills and education. If your skills aren't growing, your income isn't either. Break it. Invest in courses, books, and mentors before buying luxury. 9. Having only one income stream. If your job stops, your income stops. Break it. Start a side hustle, learn freelancing, sell a skill online. 10. Procrastinating on financial goals. I'll start saving next month. That's the poverty trap. Break it. Start today. Even $1 or $500 is progress. So, here's the truth. If you kill just 2 or 3 of these habits this year, your financial life will change. The rich don't have magical powers, they just master their habits. Which habit will you break first? Drop it in the comments. I read everyone. And hey, if you found value here, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with a friend who needs to break free from money traps. Remember, think rich, live rich, be the standard. See you in the next one.